For the hottest and coolest products out there, look no further than Cool Tools.
For areas you're unable to reach with a full-size vacuum, the Worx 20-volt PowerShare portable vacuum might be your answer. This portable vacuum is a lightweight, versatile, and efficient solution to a wide range of dry spills and messes, pretty much anywhere you need to clean up on the go. Weighing only 3 pounds with the battery, the vacuum comes with a 4-foot flexible hose along with a crevice tool for fitting into narrow spaces, like gaps between car seats and consoles, and brush accessories to act as a power duster, eliminating small dirt particles, grit, and lint. Its 20-volt max lithium battery runs up to 10 minutes of high-speed power and 25 minutes at low speed. That battery is also compatible with more than 35 other Worx DIY lawn and garden tools. For more information on the Worx 20-volt PowerShare portable vacuum, visit HouseSmartsTV.com.